Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you.
Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris and today we are going to be doing a little bit of an update. Actually, looking back on, well, not so much of, I'm not looking back on the video, but going back to a video that I did do a few months ago. We were talking about HAQQ and ISLAMIC COIN, and we're going to be doing a little bit of an update, going back and looking at some of the changes that have occurred, just kind of checking it out. But, you know, just as always, got to remind you that I am not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. I'm simply a geek on the internet who likes to bring you different, different things. Sometimes it's entertainment, sometimes it's bringing you a new project that I think you guys might be interested in and think you may want to look into more. And sometimes it's like this, a little bit of an update and a rehash of old information and just kind of looking at it again from a different perspective. But and whenever big changes come in, sometimes we just take a look at that, and that's kind of what we're doing today. But that all out of the way, today we are looking at HAQQ and ISLAMIC COIN. So we've talked about this before. As I said, we did a video on it. Let's kind of go through and kind of remind you all of what it is. Home of ethical Web3, ethics first network that welcomes sustainability centered developers, validators, and open source contributors, as well as Muslim innovators in sustainable finance. ISLAMIC COIN is a native currency of the HAQQ network. So what is HAQQ? HAQQ brings together the most reputable actors of ethical finance in order to promote community-driven decentralized technologies worldwide. HAQQ is an EVM equivalent chain based on Cosmos SDK. The technology behind HAQQ makes it possible for any smart contract created on other EVM chains to be deployed onto the new network without any changes needed. So that's pretty cool. You can kind of see the tokenomics here, or so you have the mainnet accounts. So this isn't really the tokenomics. This is more just the statistics. So my bad there. Average cost per transaction, 0.0005 ISLAMIC COIN transactions within the last 24 hours was approximately 66,283. But their mission is crypto has lost its path. Grid-driven practices and crypto prevent mass adoption. HAQQ's mission is to make Web3 projects accessible to everyone. HAQQ is balancing Shariah compliant philosophy and cutting-edge technology to create fair and more sustainable financial system. Muslims and ESG power change throughout the world, and HAQQ is leading. And this is something we kind of touched on last time, is just how many Muslims there are worldwide, and if they can even just get a percentage of them on board with this, with ISLAMIC COIN and HAQQ, that the potential output of this coin and how much it's worth could be significant. I really recommend you go watch that video where I did a deep dive, but today we're going to talk about some of the updates and stuff of that nature. So one of the most important things to bring to you is that HAQQ is back on track. So this is actually a community update that came out last week from CEO Alex Malkov, where he kind of reflected on some of the challenges that HAQQ has faced. So let's kind of dig into it and see what they have here. Dear HAQQ Network community, it's been an exciting journey building an ecosystem that caters to the vast ethical crypto landscape. It is time to share an extensive update on their journey so far and their plans for the coming months. In this update, they hope to comprehensively recap the HAQQ launch phase, highlight their achievements, and candidly discuss their challenges. Most importantly, they're going to propose a path to building a more robust and resilient HAQQ network. So the recap of the launch phase. Since official launch in October of 2023, HAQQ Network has experienced a series of events and challenges that have shaped their journey. To better understand what's upcoming, I guess, I'd like us to reflect on the key milestones and lessons they've learned. Vara. So on launch in October 2023, during their launch, they were met with tremendous enthusiasm from their vast and diverse community. I remember the Twitter was like huge. There was so many followers, a lot of people on board, spanning over 1.5 million members. A community that believes in their vision of creating a blockchain ecosystem that adheres to the principles of the Islamic finance. However, their launch was met with a significant hurdle in the form of a VARA investigation. While VARA acted within its rights as a reputable regulatory body, they had initially ensured they worked circumspectly, which was their reason for selecting to work with Republic for their sale. Despite the challenges posed by the investigation, they remained committed to cooperating with the regulator and providing all necessary documentation to prove their compliance with the VARA rulebook. Their efforts eventually led to VARA announcing the end of the investigation without further enforcement, testament to their commitment of transparency and regulatory compliance. So they came out of the other side of that. They've faced a lot of challenges, is the point. They faced a lot of challenges, and with support of the community, they've managed to stand up against it, and their key component being their transparentness is what they are, saying is what helped them get through the majority of this. And I should mention that they have actually successfully listed Islamic Coin on several top-tier exchanges. These include MEXC, KuCoin, LBank, as well as XT.com and CoinBX. And they are, remaining committed to expanding their listing strategy and continuing to go forth, and despite the challenges that they faced up until this point. Another thing I want to highlight here is the real world assets. So they are launching, set to launch Gold Token, or a gold token, which will be released in 2024. You can kind of see that here. They're set to launch it, Gold Token, in June 2024, allowing users to exchange it for real physical gold with delivery. This token will be accessible through HAQQ Wallet and is designed as an appealing value store product. It will also serve as a practical role in the Islamic interbank market, where banks can utilize tokenized commodities as a more efficient alternative to classical ones for interbank financing. Moving forward, they aim to expand this offering to include other commodities and potential securities in the future. So that's something else, the real world assets coming in there. A lot of people dig that simply because, a lot of what we, when we're looking at crypto, a lot of it's made up. And there's a lot of fiats that kind of are too, but a lot of people like to have that tangibility there to back it up. Another thing that I want to let you guys know is they have launched Visa cards denominated in Islamic coin and stable coins for European residents with Bridey. So you can see the Bridey app here. Get 1 month of Bridey Pro plan for free. This EID is up to 10% APY with the Islamic Coin card, lower exchange fees, and more. Subscribe to the plan. So they do have a card that you can use for their European residents. They have actually also launched their NFT collection. I hope I'm not pronouncing it incorrectly, but Fruits of Jana or Jana. But you can see, as you can see here, these are really pretty, honestly. But they have released it exclusively on NFT Bazaar art. You can see here Bazaar, and so they've actually went through and launched this NFT collection, and it's pretty cool. I like a lot of these. And also, once again, if you're, really interested, one of the best ways, I said this in the previous video about this, but one of the best ways to get involved with HAQQ and Islamic Coin is going to be downloading HAQQ Wallet, seeing what all they have on there, as well as following them on Twitter so you can stay updated. There's also a Discord community you guys can check out, as well as Telegram. So there's going to be a lot of different ways that you can go about doing your own research. Perhaps you want to research into that investigation or whatever you want to do, but you have a ton of information here at your disposal so that you can make informed decisions. But the best way to do it is to, go to these different resources that they're giving you, check out the HAQQ Wallet, and yeah, that's pretty much all I have for today. Just giving you guys a little bit of a 2024 update on HAQQ and Islamic Coin. Let me know what you guys think down in the description below. I'm eager to see if any of you have downloaded the HAQQ Wallet. Have you spent any time with this, and what your thoughts are. So that's all I have for today. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.